Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is a fairly new release actually. And I always say that if they bring this out in if they bring anything out in a pocket edition, then it's hugely successful. So it means that it's well loved and well received. So you've got the Herbal Astrology Pocket Oracle by Adriana Ayales. I'm afraid that I don't understand how to say that. You Are the Medicine. So we've got a little book that comes with it. This is extremely popular already. Every time I get it in, it sells out. Okay, so we've got the turnaround of it's quite quick. So you've got a little booklet here, the cards. So you've got different herbs of the sun, the moon, Venus. So is this all planetary? Yes, it's all planetary. And then which are the last ones there? The asteroids and the lunar nodes. So yep, the Herbal Astrology, of course it's astrology. Okay, let's go through. So she tells a little bit around how to actually use it, how to make spreads, how to use the cards, which is very, very, very helpful when you get a deck. So this is quite invaluable, this little booklet that comes with it. Then you've got each of the cards. So that's the little booklet that comes with it. The box is this size, and then on the inside it says You're the Medicine. I think I'd already told you that, but there we go. What does it say? Open an ancient portal, beg your pardon, to discover the powerful connection between the healing wisdom of plants and their astrological rulers with this unique 55-card oracle deck and guidebook. Each richly illustrated card depicts a sacred plant ally and its planetary correspondences, while the guidebook illuminates the traditional medicinal applications, ceremonial uses, spiritual messages, animal guides, and symbolic meanings associated with these important herbs, trees, flowers, and mushrooms. Okay, so let's pop that to one side. Can I get this off? I can. I have to cheat. There we go. Right. So you've got 55 cards, they said, didn't they? So these are the backs. Oops, that's rather rude of me, wasn't it? Sorry about that, throwing you around. Let me just loosen it a bit so it's not quite so sticky so I can actually show you. Right. They've got like a mild, they're not glossy or glidey, they're quite thick and quite solid. Typical Hay House actually, they are quite good quality. And we've got some lovely imagery here. So you've got the number of the card, the plant, and then its property. The blue lotus. I managed to get some blue lotus actually, or some extremely rare essence from a shop in Glastonbury once. I can't remember what I did with it actually. I was just thinking then, I've told you that, and I don't really know what I did with it. After all that hunting of mine, it came onto my feed, and I was just desperate, and then I happened to fall upon it in Glastonbury, and yeah, I think it's just an essence. Now I'm going to hunt it down afterwards because I will still have it. Oh, lion's mane. That became, so these things go through fashions, don't they? You find that like little trends. Lavender's always around, and nettle is extremely good. It's going to be fabulous for arthritis as well. Oh, milk thistle, good for digestive. I was looking at the tobacco one there, and they said that it's for offering. You see, in the days before, the large organisations got hold of tobacco and then added all these nasties in there and then created this addiction situation. Tobacco was a hugely peaceful herb that our ancestors would smoke. I'm not sure that it gave you an altered state, but it was something that was quite ritualistic. I hope I'm not going too quickly for you, sorry. The Angel's Trumpet. These are gorgeous cards. You can pause on each one if you want to, can't you? I can't even pronounce them, which is why I'm so silent on it. Dragon's blood is one of my favourite incenses. Nice smelling. Okay, and Palo Santo as well, actually. So there you go. You have the miniature on a pocket deck of the Herbal Astrology Pocket Oracle. A lovely, lovely little deck. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for your time. Bye-bye.